Today is February 13th. It is a Tuesday. It is 10:41 a.m. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Wars. My name is Jacob Cardarelli with Crypto-Centric Blockchain Networks LLC. I'm here to talk about what's going on in the space, along with what's going on with the indexes, along with what's going on with the whole economic structure. Just to update all those that are somewhat interested. There's a fat chance that we could continue to see this bear market take place. I don't think people realize, when you look at highly volatile stocks or assets or anything, cryptocurrencies included in those highly volatile categories, you have things that will return back to very low positions. So earlier this year, Bitcoin, or earlier 2017, excuse me, at least 300, earlier, in 1 year period, whatever. BTC was all the way to 2000, and even before that, it's been as low in the last 2 to 3 years, as low as 300. So right now it's at 8,000. So there's a really fat chance that it could go to 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. I think there's a solid base around $1,000, dollars worth of Bitcoin, because now that things go down, what happens is you get panic. You get a lot of people that have been putting money that they shouldn't be, that they borrowed in order to invest in cryptocurrencies. And so what happens is you get a lot of panic because, it became a bubble because people were playing with money that they really don't have to lose. Also, when you look at the Dow, it's also continuing the Dow trend. So, when you look at the general economic state in the sense, you're having tax season come up. People are selling their investments to pay for taxes. That also moves markets, so you get a lot of this snowball effect that's taking place, and that's why you're seeing this sort of downtrend. And, it's kind of like dominoes, right? The dominoes are all aligned for a sort of crash in the crypto space and a crash in the indexes and the whole economic state. It's just it needs that catalyst to knock the dominoes over. And now that we've seen a reversal, you could see the dominoes start to fall very fast. And what it happens is you have a whole, chain reaction of these dominoes. And, all of a sudden algorithms are getting fulfilled on indexes and things. And, then you get seeing these bot sell-offs. Even now, on all these exchanges, there's no way that the exchanges can control the bots that can buy and sell and push prices way down. That's why sometimes you'll even see on certain exchanges where the price of something will drop to like $7 for like 2 seconds. I remember on Coinbase or something that happened with Ether where the price just dropped to like $30 or something and went right back up to 200. Because what happens is when that happens is it's just like a phenomenon event where the sell orders get filled all at once. It doesn't necessarily mean that's what it's valued at, but that's what people are trading at the exchanges. They're literally willing to push it that low because when panic strikes. So, and also you also get margin trading, which really fucks up people's lives, especially with things. I've heard stories where people have actually lost like mass quantities of money because they have stop loss orders on exchanges and things, and like they just set up these margin trading things. So once it does drop to that 30 because of that phenomenal thing, or if someone just accidentally places an order that low, whatever limit order, like your order could fill on a stop loss and things. So that's why you don't mess around with stop losses and margin calls and all that stuff. Stop loss is something you should just play in your brain, I think, not so much you actually mechanically set it up on the exchange. But anyways, away from the speculation and things, what Crypto-Centric Blockchain Networks is doing, if you are an online retailer and you are looking to accept cryptocurrency for your services, I'm willing to reward you to accept cryptocurrency for your services. Through the BitShares decentralized, if you sign up through the BitShares if you accept crypto through the BitShares decentralized software, I will reward you. Check out my website. And then in exchange, I'll request you to give discounts to my club members. So it's kind of a cool concept I'm putting together. You know, because through the BitShares decentralized software, you can create channels of coupon issuance. So basically what I'm doing is I'm rewarding companies to start accepting cryptocurrency. And also by doing so, they give discounts to club members. So, and you know, it's a great way to hit a demographic and start accumulating cryptocurrency for your goods or services. So, kind of going to have a limited amount of participants. So, I think it's one of those things that, you know, if you do sell goods or services online, check out my link, and then, you know, think about the idea of accepting cryptocurrency, at least through the BitShares software, for your goods and services. So that's all I have to say today. Thank you.